So, good morning everyone. Myself Ashu Upadhyay and I am first year BPT student at Marwadi University. Today I am going to present my topic on physiology, role of kidney in the maintenance of acid and base. Maintaining a normal blood pH is essential for proper functioning in the body and kidneys play a major role in the process. Acid and base balance. The body must maintain blood pH between 7.35 and 7.45 between buffering act immediately, lungs act within minutes, and kidney provides long-term regulation of pH. Function of kidneys. Kidneys maintain acid and base balance through four major mechanisms. They conserve bicarbonate, remove excess hydrogen ion products in bicarbonate, and eliminate acid from the body. Bicarbonate is the most important buffer in the body. Kidneys prevent its loss by reabsorbing almost all filtered bicarbonate, helping maintain normal blood pH. Hydrogen ion secretion. When blood becomes acidic, kidneys increases hydrogen ion secretion into urine. The removes excess acid or helps restore normal pH. Formation of new bicarbonate. During acid accumulation, bicarbonate is consumed. Kidneys produce new bicarbonates and return it to the bloodstream, helping maintaining acid and base balance. Buffer systems in kidneys. The ammonia and phosphate buffer systems help kidneys remove large amounts of hydrogen ion without making urine excessively acidic. To conclude, kidneys are essential for maintaining acid-base balance. They regulate blood pH by conserving bicarbonate, excreting hydrogen ion, and generating new bicarbonate. Thus they ensure normal physiological functioning of the body. Thank you.